Good morning, good evening, or good night to you watching this. Today, we will be cleaning a 3-bed, 1-bath house. And I don't know if you saw, but the bathroom has a huge stain. No, really, it's right there. See? Anyway, let's get more acquainted with the rooms. First, we have the master bedroom, which had a couple large spots. Here. Next is the living room, with a pretty bad traffic area and some more spots. And then this dining room area. Not too bad, just dirty. And of course, the bathroom. We've already met the stain. Okay, now before we start, we already have a problem. It's this. The house was being renovated, and the previous people working on the house had left their trash and their personal belongings in the space, and we had to move it. Hey, can we speed this part up? Whoa, way too fast. Put it back. And here we are vacuuming the room, spraying down the cleaning solution, and fluffing up the carpet with the CRB.
Take it all, chasing forbidden fruit. Will it break us all? We'll know when we touch.
Hold on. I have a better angle for this. And the moment you've been waiting for, the bathroom. we get a closer look at that?
Okay, freeze that.
Tighten up on that window.
Vector in on that guy by the back wheel.
Zoom in right here on this spot.
Can you clear that up any?
I don't know. Let's enhance it.
Enhance section A6.
Enhance the detail.
So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. We wanted to show that it's not magic, not everything can come clean. But after we did everything we could to it, it definitely looks better. Oh yeah, the other before and after pictures too.